welcome. Today's video we're going to be talking about Boxycharm updates. I've got some new information for you guys, sneak peeks, as well as retail values, all kinds of fun information. So before we jump into the video, quick disclaimer, as always, if you're new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. You a hot mess? Join the family. Click that subscribe button because it is a judgment and drama free zone, and I'd love to have you as part of our family. I upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. Let's go ahead and jump into what I know, what I've seen, all of that. I am slap happy right now, just saying. So let's go ahead and start with our Boxycharm base box. Now, if you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm base box is a $25 a month plus tax subscription where you will receive at least $125 worth of product. You do get to customize one item in your box, and this month for May, let me scoot over, you did get to choose between 3 different items. The first one was the Glam Glow Berry Mask, which had a retail value of $49. The next item was the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Pads, and those had a retail value of $59. And then last but not least, you could have chosen the Hourglass Highlight Stick, and this came in 5 shades with a retail value of $42. Now, I honestly thought that that was what was going to take the cake. I thought everybody across the board was going to be wanting the Hourglass Hourglass Highlighting Stick. And I was quite surprised when I was going through my comment section. A lot of you guys said no, that you wanted the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Mask because it was in months ago. It was in like an add-on or a Boxy pop-up or something like that, and you guys said it is an amazing product. So if you did choose it and you've not tried it out yet, apparently it is like the bee's knees. It's amazing. So anyways, I'm excited. I'm excited about all of these options, but you guys know I love everything. So okay, so last week I did tell you guys that the House Lavatories by Lady Gaga is supposed to be in our base box. I still have not got confirmation 100% what particular item that will be. My guess right now is the liquid eyeliner, which does have a retail value of $20. However, we did get another confirmation that Gerard Cosmetics will be in this box. And as of right now, I found on the Instagram website, Boxycharm News, they have popped up a spoiler of the High Pigment Pearl Lip Gloss by Gerard Cosmetics. So I did check it out on Sephora, and that does have a retail value of $18. And the base box for May can have a value of up to $185. Mind you, this box is only $25 plus tax. So really excited to see what other items are coming out, and we will see in the base box. Moving on to the premium box. Now this is again a monthly box you have an option to sign up for, and it is $35 a month plus tax, and we are guaranteed at least $175 worth of product. And just like the base box, you do get to choose one item out of here to customize. And the options for the May customization was the Too Faced Gold Bronzer. This has a retail value of $30. A lot of you guys said that the picture was posted incorrectly. So they showed the matte bronzer, but it's in fact the gold bronzer that you will be receiving. And my understanding is they did give people the option to switch it out if they didn't want the radiant gold. But honestly though, I feel like with summer coming up, that would look beautiful just to lightly dust it over your face or on your shoulders or your décolleté. So, I mean, if that is what I get it for, that's exactly how I'm going to use it. Or if in fact I do receive it, that is what I'll do with it. I'm so all over the place. The other option that you did have is the Smashbox Eyeshadow Trio. This is one that I received from a different beauty subscription box, and I have to say, I really like the formula in this little trio. So I know this isn't the color that was the option for Boxycharm because like I said, this came in a different box. But if you did choose the Smashbox Trio, I think you're really going to like it. I really enjoyed this shadow, this formula. And then last but not least, you have the option to choose the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate Cream. And y'all, that has a retail value of $66 on Ulta's website. Have you tried that? because you guys know, like, our eye area shows the age. So I want to know if this is like what y'all's opinion is on it. And out of those items, the bronzer, the Smashbox Trio, and the eye cream, which one did you choose? Let me know down below. And next, we do know that there is going to be the Kevin Aucoin mascara and the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Now, I've been showing you guys my dupes that I have by Gerard Cosmetics. These little palettes are $6 palettes, and the Too Faced palettes have a retail value of like $38. So if by chance you don't receive the Too Faced palette, definitely go over and check out Gerard Cosmetics. You can get these for $6 a piece. I do have a 10% coupon code. It is an affiliate code. Don't feel like you have to shop. You don't have to shop, but I'm just saying, if you want a good dupe, check out Gerard Cosmetics. Hotmess 10 saves you 10%. Now, the thing was, last week, we knew of those two products, but I was very hopeful that it was going to be like the Too Faced matte palette, or the soft natural palette, and the Kevin Aucoin mascara. And it turns out that's not how it's going to be. We're going to get one or the other. However, of course, we don't know everything that's going to be in this box, but we do know that this box could be worth up to $240. Okay. Like, okay, you know, so I was excited about that. And let me know down below, are you a little bummed? Did you want to see the Too Faced palette and the mascara? Honestly, guys, because I have the dupes, I want that Kevin Aucoin mascara, because I think the wand on that mascara looks so neat, and I'm a mascara junkie. I love mascara. So anywho, moving along, I did want to talk about the shipping. Joe did mention that there may be some shipping delays because they are following protocol because of everything that's going on in the world, and there's social distancing, and because of that there's less people in the warehouse and what have you. And to me, I know that it's not just Boxycharm doing it. I mean, everybody is practicing social distancing and doing what they can to keep their employees safe. So I greatly appreciate that. And whenever we get it, the box, we get it. It's fine, you know, like, totally understand that. He did also mention that tracking for the boxes may be delayed as well. Sometimes he said a lot of people will see it earlier in the month. It may not be until later in the month that they receive the tracking information, which again, to me, not a big deal. He also did discuss that this past month, some people did not receive their cards in their Boxycharm base box or in their premium box. And again, that had to do with like a printing mistake or something like that. So instead of delaying their box, they just went ahead and shipped the box out. Again, to me, I don't feel like it's a big deal, but I did appreciate the fact that he was jumping on and letting us know, like, hey, here's why you didn't get a card or what have you. And another thing I wanted to talk about with you guys is Boxy pop-up. Now, Boxy pop-up is quarterly, and this is a great opportunity. It's very similar to the add-ons times 10. So monthly add-ons is something that is available to us where we get to choose additional options for our box at deeply discounted prices. However, quarterly, they have Boxy pop-up, which is crazy amazing because you get up to 80% off of goodies. So if you did happen to get a card in last month's premium and base box or there is a little section over here letting you know about Boxy pop-up, and it does say starting May 12th. Now, my understanding is May 12th, that's when it's open to everybody. So if you only have a base box subscription, that's when you can jump in and order things for your Boxy pop-up. However, I believe, don't quote me on this, I believe if you are a premium waitlister or Boxy Luxe member, I believe Boxy pop-up may be available to you May 11th. So with that being said, go in and check your account. I would guess time-wise, maybe around noon, maybe a little before noon, maybe even later in the afternoon, but go in and check your account to see if Boxy pop-up is available. And with that being said, some of the brands we are going to see in Boxy pop-up are, and again, I'm reading off of this card and on Instagram, Glam Glow, we're going to see Foxy Babe, Benefit, Too Faced, Period Cone, MD, as well as Joe did say he is working with a company to be able to make hand sanitizer available, and we didn't see it in the add-ons like he was hoping, so it looks like it will be available for Boxy pop-up, as well as he is going to have masks available for us. So he did show on his Instagram him wearing a black one that says Boxycharm on it, as well as two other options, one that again you guys will see over here. But these masks are going to be available for us to pick up in our Boxy pop-up, which I was pretty excited about, because I know for our state of Kentucky, starting May 11th, they are asking that if we go out and about to please wear a mask for your safety and the safety of people around you. So I really appreciate that Boxycharm has reached out and will have these available for us during our Boxy pop-up. Some other brands that we are going to see in our Boxy pop-up are brands like Kopari, Violet Voss, Hank and Henry, Becca, Beauty Bakery. There is going to be a ton of options available. Like I said, everything that I pull from when it comes to the pictures that pop up over here, I keep their Instagram handle up there. So let's move on to something I talked about last week, and I've seen more people talking about it. So I'm like, if more people talk about it, is it gonna be true? A brand takeover. I am so excited about this. Now, I showed you guys last week because, again, I was scrolling around on Instagram and came across this picture over here, which is a cake. And this cake, if you guys see it, and maybe I'll just make it front and center so you guys can see it a little bit easier. But this cake I found on Show Your Boxy's Instagram site, and then she tagged the actual company who made the cake, which is Delicious Art. And it's really detailed, guys. Like, it is so insanely detailed, and it's Boxycharm times Gerard Cosmetics. So I was excited to hear that, like, even though Joe said we're going to see Gerard in our Boxycharm box for May, potentially, or it looks like the lip gloss, potentially there could be a Boxycharm takeover for the premium box. So with that being said, I was really excited about that, and I mentioned it, like I said, it was last Tuesday or Wednesday. Then some of you guys said I'd love to see Huda. So again, your girl's just scrolling the internet, and I come across on a Facebook group which is called Boxy Spoilers on Facebook. She popped up a picture, and it was part of the quiz that Boxycharm sends out, which, remember, Joe has said multiple times, when you get these quizzes, fill them out, because it helps the algorithm to curate in the future your boxes. And even though it may not be perfect right now, they're working more and more to perfect that algorithm of these quizzes that you are taking. So with that being said, the question is, exclusive box as a possible future premium box, would you be interested in it? It's all Huda Beauty stuff. We see the Huda Beauty new nude palette, a lipstick, eyeliner, lip liner, the setting spray, primer, lashes, all of that stuff. So let me know how many of you guys received this question on your quiz. This had me really excited, because I started thinking, like, how awesome would it be if, say, 3 or 4 times a year Boxycharm got with a brand and the brand did a takeover like we saw with Fenty Beauty. I would be down for that. He did mention that in the future we will see Fenty Beauty in our boxes again. So stay tuned for that, because you guys know your girl comes back weekly, sometimes a couple times a week, giving you guys Boxycharm updates. So I'm excited. I am excited to see if we get a brand takeover by Gerard Cosmetics, Huda Beauty. Let me know down below what you guys' thoughts are. If you are thinking or on the fence about Boxycharm and you do want to go ahead and sign up right now, if you do sign up for Boxycharm, at least the day I'm filming this, which is Tuesday that I am filming, if you sign up, you will actually receive a $6 credit towards Boxy pop-up, which is amazing, because you're already getting up to 80% off of these products at Boxy pop-up. So the coupon code for that is SAVE6POP. I'll pop the picture up over here for you guys. I will have a link in my description box, as well as in the comment section. I will pin it for you guys, where you can go in and sign up. Even if you want to sign up for the Boxy base box, you could do that today, and you could get a $6 credit for your Boxy pop-up. I will let you guys know that is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do use my link to sign up for Boxycharm. So let me know some of the things you're excited about if you're going to participate in the Boxy pop-up. I will tell you guys, it can get kind of crazy, and sometimes in the past I've seen the site crash. So definitely keep refreshing your page. It's kind of like when Jeffree Star releases something, like the internet shuts down. It's kind of like that, which may sound bad, but it's not. It's exciting. So anyways, guys, let me know down below what your plans are and what you plan on picking up for Boxy pop-up. Let me know as well, are you excited about a possible brand takeover with Gerard Cosmetics or Huda Beauty? And I guess that's all for now, guys. If you are an essential worker, thank you for everything you do, and if you are not, stay home, stay safe, and until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.